Hello, welcome to the course calendar. Some people call this the hourly guide. It's what's going on every single day. So first off, we have our e-text, which is referring to the college mathematics book that you find in MyMathLab. Second, we have the workbook, which refers to the Math and Dosage Calculations for Healthcare Professionals book that you purchased. It has that blue cover. Third thing, worksheets are found on Blackboard, as well as their answer key. And finally, practice problems are not collected or graded. They are your chance to customize your course. So if you're a person who hasn't done math in a while and you're struggling with some content, this is where you find all the extra problems. So let's take a look at how this thing works. Today's date was 1/17. Guess it still is 1/17, but we did not have class. But nothing was due before class. In class, and so for you guys online, you're working with these 4 topics. After class, you need to make sure you register for MyMathLab through the links in Blackboard. Number 2 here are practice problems. These are totally optional, and you may do them if needed. They are page 2 in your module. And then you have to get ready for the next class. So these are pages in your module as well, but you need to print and complete the pre-lecture notes for next week based on the reading that you do in both the workbook and the textbook. And then you need to watch the intake and output video. Link for that is again in Blackboard in your module. And so then you'll be ready for next class where we hopefully meet face-to-face. You'll take a quiz on all this stuff in lesson 1. And one of the questions will be from this intake output video. Next week then, we'll study this content. And again, there's optional practice problems and a MyMathLab assignment. And then it just keeps repeating. You'll do pre-class work, we'll have class, you'll do follow-up work again and again throughout the semester.